All right. Right now we're going to do a little bit newer of a song, actually from the fourth album. And this one's kind of special in the way that it was really our first introduction, especially video-wise, in America. We put this video out about, 1987, something like that. And it was a video that had my English bulldog in it. Anybody remember seeing that at all? Yeah! One or two of you old guys. Well, what ended up happening is MTV took it off because it was representing stalking, believe it or not. And what happened in the video was the English bulldog gets bought out of a pet store, and the girl takes the dog to the park, and she kisses it, and kaboom, it turns into me. And I start chasing her all over the fucking place, and the other three guys in the band at the time became dog catchers. And there's one fucking classic scene that is just fucking cracks me up every time I see it, and it's Robbo sitting there dipping fucking milk bones into a cup of coffee. Anyway, here's a song we call I'm a Man!